we are looking towards an animation of mitral stenosis. Now we can have a complete view. This is left heart, the left atrium, left ventricle, placed mitral valve in between. This is outflow of left ventricle, that from the aortic valves. All right. This is right heart, right atrium, right ventricle, tricuspid valve, pulmonary valves heading towards the pulmonary trunk. Now, in mitral stenosis, the most common cause is rheumatic fever after the uh, streptococcal infection, throat infection, and then affects the mitral stenosis as well. Now, in mitral stenosis, actually, the narrowing of valve occurs, due to which it gives rise to the left ventricle inflow tract abnormalities. Again, when narrowing of the valve would occur, obviously, intuitively, we can have the narrowing of the valves leading to the left ventricular inflow tract abnormalities. That simple as that. So there would be more chances of pooling of blood in the left atrium, and now you may see the left atrium is stretching more. It would lead to the left atrial hypertrophy, which would be seen as in cardiac salute as the straightening of left heart border. Now also it would give indirect back pressure to the pulmonary veins and then to the pulmonary vasculature, which could lead to the pulmonary hypertension, or sometimes acute insults may lead to the interstitial edema, which is an emergency. All right. Now, so the obviously the cardiac output would not be maintained, and later on, when the left ventricular hypertrophy may occur due to the progressive contraction, so that the obviously the feedback mechanism, and also it may lead to the other finally the heart failure. That is a later consequences, but we are looking at the most basic part, that how it takes place. Now you may compare it, the abnormal valve with the normal valve, how this is opening. So you may have the 3D view. The valve is opening completely. It has three cusps, tricuspid, and mitral valve has only two cusps. Now you may see the how small meagerly it is opening, and how it is well it is opening. Just compare it, and you can you yourself can deduce that what would be the consequences. So this is the advantage of seeing the animation and correlating with the clinical presentation. So this was the brief animation. I hope you liked it, and do subscribe to my channel, and you may like this video, and thanks for viewing this video. Goodbye.